Fadila.
And also I am Nasya
From English Education Program CD.
University of Muhammadiyah Jakarta. So today we will to visit at the same place, and we will visit at Pizza Marzano, and we want to guide you guys to the place. So what we gonna do in the Pizza Marzano?
We will making our own pizza with the chef from Pizza Marzano. So before we go there, we have to book first at the Pizza Marzano website. And here's the tutorial.
First, you need to go to Pizza Marzano website. Then, in the list locations, you can select your city. Mine is Jakarta Selatan or South Jakarta. There may be some choices for you near your city. You can choose which place would you like to book. Next, for the booking purpose, you can change it into adult pizza making party. And then fill your name, and your email, also your phone number. After that, fill in how many people will come. I will come with Nasya, so it's gonna be 2 people. Don't forget to fill in the reservation date and time you want to book. If you don't read privacy policy, you can checklist it. And lastly, click the book now. And done! That's it!
And so you guys, stay tuned to our video, and bye!
Now we already arrived at Pizza Marzano. So let's come inside.
So here there's 2 menu for making pizza class, and the first one there's signature and deluxe. For the signature, for the price is 100,000 rupiah, and for signature there was include for the drink there's lemon tea, lemonade, and blackcurrant. And for the signature menu there's margarita, fungi di bosco, and American.
The second is there's the looks, which is 150,000 rupiah. For the looks, there is Chocolata, Milano, and Porto Carlo. The difference with signature is the topping. For the looks, there is 3 and 4 toppings.
We are with the chef, Kade.
Take 2.
Now we are
With the chef,
Kade.
Kade. Hi. Wow.
That was sticking in my heart. Changed my state of mind. Love's so hard to find. Your feelings changed like the weather. Went from clear to gray. All that night and day. How can I go on with the cup falling apart? Love's so hard to find when someone's on your mind. Listen, baby, your wish is my command. Baby, won't you understand that can see us there, waving unaware of problems that have a tendency to keep the truth far from our minds. You need someone you can believe in. This I do declare. Trust me, I'll be there. The road that leads to heaven can be so steep. I will help you climb. Change your state of mind. Listen, baby, your wish is my command. Baby, won't you understand that your wish is my command? What can I do to make my baby understand? Your wish is my command. Baby, won't you understand that your wish is my command?
This is our pizza. Yang mana ini?
What? Ha, banana.